our education system is severely outdated. While we're talking about these problems that exist, something that we're not actually taking into consideration is the fact that our education system was created in the 1800s to support the Industrial Revolution, and we're still teaching our kids using the exact same methods today. That has to change. I believe we can create different schooling environments that provides opportunities for children to better explore, teachers to better guide, and for education to actually serve the needs of children who are developing in the 21st century, instead of relying on methods that were created to develop them in the 19th century.